potion cabinets. I love the way she decorates her boxes. You don't see too many people put in this much effort to ensure that their boxes are creepy. Usually they'll put stickers, and that's great. I love them when they decorate them with stickers and things like that, but she really put some extra work in there. All right, so first let's open it up. I want to say that I haven't ordered from her much recently, only because, you know, as you guys know, I haven't ordered much from her recently because, as you guys know, I'm kind of low on budget, and she's doing a lot more potions because she is the potion cabinet, which is to be expected because she does potions and I'm more of a bath bomb girl. So anyway, first of all, look at this. I love all of her shipments. When they come in, I know that I'm going to be pretty surprised and pleasantly surprised with what's inside. This is, I think, a little booklet where you can just write whatever the heck you want. All your witches spells and things of that nature, you can save them right in this little book. All right. As usual, her gorgeous, another thing that she puts a lot of effort into, is she put a lot of effort into getting this guy made, which shows her particular bomb. I was going to say bombs again because I'm into bombs. They show her particular type of potions with the names of her potions on there. Like, she really went all out to get this made, honestly. I love that bath bomb there with the little eye. I've had it a couple times. I love that one. But yes, I love her as much. I love the amount of work. I don't even know why I'm not speaking properly today. But I love the amount of work that she puts into this. And here's her info. She's on Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. And then a little note on the back. Cute. And let's see what's inside. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So many spider webbage. I'm having trouble. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. See, this is like an amazing thing that she does. Her colors get suspended in layers in her bath. Her bath bottles. What is wrong with me? Why can't I speak today? I don't know. But look how beautiful this is. I could probably do my nails like this one day. Gorgeous. Thank you very much. That is a sample. We have, what's this one called? Apeshit. And I want to give this to Layla because it's so freaking cute and I know she's going to love it. And it smells like monkey farts. That's what I smell. Anyway, yes. I'm trying to see the tag here. Here it is. Yeah, creamy, yummy banana. Next we have this cute little Frankenstein bomb. It's freaking super adorable. And I love that she tells me the scent on her packaging so that when I'm giving a bath bomb demo, I'm not really sure what it smells like. It smells like this, and usually I'm totally wrong. Caramel, toffee, butterscotch, and warm baked cinnamon apple. So hangry that it feels like you got a screw loose. The perfect snack for the monster on. By the way, I love her wittiness all the time as well. And you can count on her wit on her site, on her packaging, and on her labels. This says side effects. An empty tummy can give you quite a fright. Stay stocked up so you can rest in pieces. I love her. So freaking cute. This is my, I believe, is it? Yes, this is my favorite scent of hers. This is called F's to Give. I'm trying to be in case a kid is watching. F's to Give. This is a shampoo bar. I've not had her shampoo bars, but I appreciate a good shampoo bar because I have short hair and I don't have the need for all of that bottles and stuff. I just pick this up through my hair. And plus, I find that these shampoo bars that are made by the indie makers are a lot easier on hair color. And you know, I have a little bit of hair color from time to time. So the next one that I got was called Breakfast in Dead. Yeah, I know this one. I've gotten this one before. I think it's super witty and adorable. You got the bacon, you got the egg. Did I get two of these? I don't know. I can't remember. We'll see in the box. Oh, by the way, it is scented in birchwood, smoked bacon, sweetened with maple glaze, topped with fresh baked bread. And what I'm going to say is, I know you guys are thinking she doesn't like baked goods. I don't. But this one isn't as baked goody, number one. And number two, it's so freaking witty that I have to have it. And potion use, the first meal for the recently deceased. It's known as the best way to start your afterlife. May result in ghost on toast. I love her. Oh yes, and I did get two. And why did I get two? Oh, maybe because one was broken. What the heck happened here? Because I wanted to give my son one. And since it's broken, he's going to get this one. Why? Because I got a demo. He doesn't mind. He just throws them on in. He loves the wittiness and the colors and stuff, but he really is not one to be sitting there watching it swirl and do a demo. So he can get this one. He's getting a lot of bath bombs for Christmas, by the way. So he's not going to trip. And he's probably going to love the wittiness of this eggs and bacon. I think that's all that I have in here. Yes, that is. And I would be shocked if she could fit anything more in there because it's a small box and she always packs it so well that everything fits properly. And, oh, I think this one broke too. What you going to do? What you going to do? I know that the post office did not treat this package well because it's got like all kinds of bumps and stuff in there. Like there's one. When I got it, I was like, I hope nothing's broken, but it didn't seem too damaged that stuff would break, but I guess it did. No problem. It will still demo well. The only problem is that it's actually up here at the top, so it's probably, I'm gonna have to hold it up. It's not gonna float well because if the crack is up here, then the water's gonna pour immediately into the coffin. But even if I can't demo it, I've already demoed it, so if you check my playlists under the potion cabinet, you'll be able to see one of these. All right, that's it for the potion cabinet. What did I have? I had two of the Breakfast and Deads. I have this Monster Mash bath bomb. I have the Apeshit. I'm sorry, I don't consider shit to be a bad word, so I'll still say it. Apeshit bath bomb. Well, what does the tag say on this? Let's see what she said. Oh, sorry. Helps manage your mischief when you go bananas. Cleans up. What's that say? I can't read that next word. It's too blurry. And puts things where they belong in an instant. Especially useful during surprise visits or roommates coming home too early. Side effects. It's sometimes difficult to find objects when you yourself don't know. Yes, of course. We have the 0 F's to Give shampoo bar. And it's scented in summer ripened strawberry, blends delectably with a hint of green leaf. And it says, behold, a convenient bottle in which to keepeth all thou F's when thou art straight out of F's to giveth. Search within, and thou shalt still find it empty. What is wrong with me? Then we have the True Color Shower Gel. This is magnificent, like for real. I don't even know how she mixes them or colors don't blend or fall into one another. I don't know. We had the two Breakfast and Deads, and then we had the, what is he called again? Monster. I was about to call him Frankie Monster Mash. I really like this, and I really want to demo it, and yet it's so freaking Layla-ish that I almost want to give it to Layla. But I have to demo some of freaking the potion cabinet. I haven't demoed her in a while, so guess I'll have to keep it. All right, guys, that's it for the potion cabinet, and I'm not sure how many more shipments I have out there from the Black Friday sales. I may have 2 more on the way, and then I'll be all done and back to not purchasing for a minute. But I have plenty to keep me busy. I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.